Hi friends, welcome to Little Ukes. Today we're going to learn a two-finger chord called A major, and I'm also going to show you a simple chord progression that you can use to practice this new chord. Let's get started. Make sure that you're holding your ukulele against your body. Imagine that you're velcroing or super gluing the instrument to yourself. And then we're going to make sure that our fretboard is on the left. And I'm going to use my left hand, my fretting hand, to play this chord. The first thing I'm going to do is find my way to my A7 chord, which is a very similar chord to A major, which is the one we're learning today. To play A7, I'm only going to need one finger, and with my thumb behind the neck, I'm going to gently press down on the first fret of the third string. So if I count my strings, they go 1, 2, 3. And this third string is the thickest one. So there is the first fret of the third string. And A7 sounds like that. I love that chord. So now we're going to take our middle finger and add it to this. So I'm going to take my middle finger and put it on the second fret of the fourth string. So the fourth string right here, the G string, is the one that is closest to my face. So I've got my first finger on the first fret of the third string. My middle finger is on the second fret, or the second little square of the fourth string. Nice work. So I'm going to go ahead and shake out my hand for a second and go back to A7, that first chord that we were practicing, where I took my first finger and put it on the first fret of the third string. Now we're going to try a little exercise where we play 4 times on A7 and then 4 times on A major. We're going to add the middle finger and play A major. Go ahead and try it with me. And don't worry if it's not perfect, just try to keep playing along with me. So here is A7, first fret of the third string. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add the middle finger to the second fret of the fourth string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to A7, our first chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to A7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. Here's A7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great work, friends. Thank you for learning a new chord with me and also practicing that exercise to get our hand used to the position and to get strengthened up to play that chord. Using the A major chord, you can play so many of the one chord songs that you really love, like row, row, row your boat gently down the stream, or are you sleeping, Brother John? So a great way to incorporate this chord is to try out some of your favorite one chord songs with it. Friends, thank you so much for joining me. Happy practicing.